Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) is currently shopping for development partners to construct the Warri or Madino Escravos Road, which, when completed, will link the oil city of Warri directly to southwest Nigeria and boost the economy of Delta State. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, gave the hint recently during a courtesy call on the Olu of Warri's Royal Majesty Ogiame Atuashe III.
On assumption of office in January this year, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, hinted that the new governing board of the commission would embark on big-ticket projects to transform the Niger Delta region. While on a recent courtesy visit to the Olu of Warri Kingdom, His Majesty Ogiame Atuashe III, the NDDC boss hinted that one of such projects is the abandoned Warri Escravos Road construction, which when completed will link Warri to Escravos by road and boost the economy of Delta State.
We felt to make Warri Kingdom come back to life, we needed to connect Warri Kingdom to Escravos, because Escravos is the hub of oil and gas activities in Delta State. And in connecting Warri to Escravos, that means the roads to Escravos need to be completed.
The NDDC boss said due to the paucity of funds, the commission had developed a framework to build critical infrastructure through public-private partnerships. It was on this note that he solicited the support of the royal father to convince multinational oil companies operating in his domain and the Delta State government to partner with the NDDC in the construction of the Warri Escravos Road.
Your Majesty, we are here to assure you that we are willing and begging for your support, and whichever way you can help us in also reaching out to Chevron and also the Delta State government to let them understand that NDDC is willing to partner with them to ensure that these roads are completed.
The Olu of Warri Kingdom, who lauded the vision of the new NDDC board, promised to reach out to prospective partners in the project.
If you get the Niger Delta working, Nigeria will explode to unprecedented heights. I believe that's 1,000%. And projects such as the one you are recommending, we will do all that we can to speak to the government of Delta State, to speak to the IOCs that operate in this kingdom, and even we are willing to put our own selves to show that we are seriously committed to this thing working.
In furtherance of its objective to build critical infrastructure in the Niger Delta, the new NDDC board is reaching out to state governments, oil majors, traditional rulers and other stakeholders. This course of action is consistent with the NDDC Establishment Act, which empowers the Commission to go into partnerships that would facilitate the execution of projects and programs intended to aid development in the Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta,